Hello investors, today I'll speak about 3 stocks that you can buy now in order to get dividends in October. And let's check the full list. There are 10 stocks here. There is such companies, nice companies, good companies like Cisco, Altria, Kimberly-Clark, Philip Morris, Cisco, uh, Medtronic and others. But I personally will choose 3 stocks that I like. Today is the 10th of September, and if you will buy next week or the beginning of next week, so then you will get these nice dividends. And let's start for the first company today. It's Philip Morris. It's a cigarette company, and let's check its dividend. We can see the declaration date. It's the first of September, and the actually the ex-dividend is the 27th. So in order to get this dividend, you should buy this stock one day before the ex-dividend. So if you buy it in 26, 25, of course you will receive this nice dividend. Let's check it fundamentals parameters of Philip Morris. We can see that debt to EBITDA ratio is less than 3, interest coverage is very strong, it's 18, and Altman the score, the probability of default is more than 3, so its financial position for me it's fine. It's very high margin company. Check this, the gross margin is 66, net margin is about 28-29%. It's guys, it's really a lot, so very nice profits this company shows. And let's check the forecast for this company. You can see that the EPS and the revenue expected to grow for the future years. Its current value is 16 P ratio, 16 NPS ratio, price per share is 47. So in my mind it's a standard value stock. And here, of course, the more important for us is the dividend yield. It's more than 5%. The payout ratio is less than 1. And also check out the dividend growth rate. It's 3%. So the company usually raising it dividends. Let's check out its chart. It's a weekly chart. You can see that it was a 5-wave move here. The first wave, the correction second, and the largest wave in the impulse, it was the third, and then the first. Here was the correction, and here in my mind impulse finished with the 5th wave. After that, of course, we usually have a correction. Here it was a clean ABC move, A, B, C. Down in my mind there is a possibility to have a new impulse. So from this point I'm expecting bounce, and I expect this stock to start to grow. And here we can see that the dividends, usually Philip Morris pays nice dividends. It $1.25. So Philip Morris is the first dividend stock for today. If you will buy it at the end of September, of course you will receive this pretty cool dividends. The second stock for today is Coca Cola. We can see that its ex-dividend date is the 15th of September. So if you buy it until this date, of course you will receive a nice dividend of 44 cents. And let's check the chart of Coca-Cola. It's a monthly chart, so we can see that from the 2008 we are trading in a rising channel. So now actually we in the highest border of this channel, and most probably in my mind we can see a correction from here. Here it's the COVID crisis, the pandemic lows, and from this now we got this border. So I think that there is a possibility that we can see this stock a little bit lower, because check it, the PS ratio is 6, it's a lot, and also the P ratio 28. Of course, nice dividend and all the stuff. Actually, its dividend yield is about 3%. It's not so much. Okay, of course it's a safe stock, but net margin is 16. But when we see such net margin and PS ratio, I can see that this stock is not cheap. It's very expensive, and as my mind, of course, it's a very it's looking very expensive. And the last stock for today is Cisco. Of course, it is IT company, and let's check it. Dividend, it's 38 cents, and ex-dividend will be in October, the 4th of October. So actually you have now three weeks to buy these stocks, to hold it, and then to receive these nice dividends. Its current dividend yield is 30%. Its market cap is it's not a small company, it's relative big. And let's check it the chart of Cisco. In my mind, yeah, it's a weekly chart. It was first wave, second, third, fourth. Yeah, I'm sure, for sure it's the first, and then the impulse finished. Now we are in a correction. You can see also the wave A, if we will check its structure. So in my mind it can be this structure. Yeah, it was the wave A, then bounce B, and now I am expecting a new decreasing wave in the stock. So now I'm not sure that it's the best time to buy the stock, because let's check it. P is 16 and the PS 3, but actually Cisco has a nice margin. Yeah, it's more than 20%, so it's nice. But now all the Nasdaq is down more than 20% from the beginning of the year. All the IT stocks, all the IT sector not feeling so good this year. We can see it on the chart that now actually Cisco trading at the levels of 2018, so it didn't show any signs of growth last 4 years. The momentum indicator RSI also doesn't tell us that it's going to grow from these levels, from this point. So as I see, of course, nice dividend 3%, it's okay, it's cool, but the chart telling me, and the PE ratio, it's not so cheap, so that most probably there is a nice probability to see another wave of declining in the future. So it was my 3 stocks that you can buy now and receive a nice dividend in the future weeks. If you like this video, so press the like button, subscribe into my channel. I have a lot of video about dividend stocks, about stock analysis, stock market, US market, Indian market. Also I planning to make a few videos about European markets, about Canadian stocks. So don't forget to subscribe, and see you on the next time. Bye.